How to fix Premiere Pro's export error. Sometimes when you're trying to export, your Premiere Pro lags for no reason. In that case, just close your Premiere Pro, restart your PC, reopen your PC, and try to export the file again. Your problem should be fixed. The next thing what you can do is when you're trying to export something, click on export at the top. Over here, make sure to use the setting correctly. Make sure the video has this setting, and you can click on more and make sure you choose this too. And scroll down and use hardware encoding. All right, don't use software encoding, use hardware. And from here, just scroll down, and for all the other things, just keep it similar. Go on general, and inside general, make sure these are not tick marked. And on effects over here, make sure it's on. Just make sure all of this is on. All right, if you have captions, make sure this is on as well, and click on export. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, I would suggest you to delete your Premiere Pro, reinstall it again, and try to export the media. It should work. Sometimes your media does not get exported if a file or a video from over here is missing. Let's say you had this video, but this video got media offline because the original footage got lost. In that case, it's going to show you that error. So make sure all of the video is perfectly placed on all the folders. All right, make sure no video is missing. So these are the things you need to remember to fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.